Where do you check for diastasis recti? Hey sunshine, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did a video some months ago on how to check for diastasis recti, and many were asking where exactly do you check for. That's the video we'll handle today. But first, my name is Destiny Dennis, a certified trainer of Black Moms Fitness, and I help mothers snap back after childbirth. Please go ahead and click on that like button, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on bell notification, because here we teach mothers how to snap back after childbirth and regain their confidence. So where do you check for diastasis recti? When you lie down to check, you just don't check only in between your belly button. We are different, and so is our body. Some may have it below their belly button, some in between, and some above their belly button. Be sure to check properly to be sure, and you have to know what you are looking for. You are looking for the depth, the width, the amount of tension, and the length. I've seen mothers only check their belly button. If they can't find it there, they said I don't have it, they go about doing wrong exercises. That is why I dedicate my page Black Moms Fitness on Instagram on training mothers how to check and also snap back after childbirth. If you are a mom, you definitely need to follow that page, because that is where I stay 24/7. You can always ask your question. Here are simple way to self-check for diastasis recti. In all of this, you do lying flat on your back and placing your hand vertically. You first check above your belly button and you press it down to in between your belly button. When you check there and be sure, you can now go below your belly button. Wherever you might find your own, some people can have it right from their below belly button to upper. So if you don't know how to self-check, try to check the video in the description box. And please, if you find this helpful, go ahead and like, comment, and share this with a mom that may need it. And follow Black Moms Fitness, and I will see you with a new video.